Hi all and welcome to Mayfair, one of London's most elegant and exclusive districts. Just steps from Hyde Park and Oxford Street, this neighborhood blends historic charm, luxury living, and hidden corners that many visitors never see. Today we'll explore the streets of Mayfair, uncover surprising stories from the past, and even step inside a former church that's now a vibrant food hall. Let's begin. The name Mayfair comes from the original May Fair, a festival held here in the 17th century. Back then, this area wasn't glamorous at all. It was open fields on the edge of London. But in the 18th century, wealthy landowners transformed the area into elegant residential streets and grand squares, creating the luxurious neighborhood we know today. Mayfair isn't just luxury hotels and boutiques. It's full of surprising places tucked behind historic facades. And one of the most unexpected is hidden inside the former church. Let's see. So welcome to Mercato Mayfair, one of London's most beautiful food halls housed inside a 19th century church. This was St. Mark's Church, built in the 1820s in a neoclassical style. For almost 150 years it served the local parish, but then it was closed, and recently it was restored and reimagined as Mercato Mayfair, a community food and cultural space filled with independent kitchens. It's a perfect example of how Mayfair blends the old and the new, historic architecture with modern lifestyle. Living in Mayfair comes with many advantages: safety, walkability, green spaces, historic charm, and a feeling of privacy even in the heart of the city. But it also means higher prices for property, services, and even everyday items. So it's not a neighborhood designed for value, it's designed for quality. Residents tend to enjoy a quiet, refined lifestyle. If you value calm surroundings, immaculate streets, and having everything within a short walk, Mayfair is exceptional. If you are visiting Mayfair as a tourist, you'll notice an incredible concentration of five-star experiences, as this area is home to some of the world's most exclusive restaurants and boutiques, making it a favorite for travelers seeking the best of London. But even if luxury isn't your style, Mayfair is an amazing place to wander. Admire their architecture, explore galleries, or simply enjoy the peaceful, polished streets that make this neighborhood so unique. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more of London with me in the next video.